new favorite, incoming, new favorite, right here. Welcome back to Live from LA, it's Nikki. I'm Nikki DeRoos, Global Artist in Residence for Bobbi Brown, and this month it is all about the flush and the power of blush. My makeup look right now has on all of the staples, but as you can see, it's missing one really important element, and that is blush. So you know, I'm a Pot Rouge fan. I love this formula, but we have added to the collection and we have the Pot Rouge Velvet Matte. This is for lips and cheeks. It's this bouncy, soft, whipped kind of texture, and it's just so blurring and beautiful on the skin. Let's swatch all 5 shades. So I'm going to start with Soft Plum. This is Peony, which is such a beautiful cool tone pink. Then we have Tea Rose. Next up is Warm Mocha, beautiful brown red tone. And lastly, Pomegranate. You know, it's always so hard for me to choose what shades to use, but I want to show you 2 different shades on my cheeks, and I'm going to do a sunset kind of ombre. So what I love about this formula is that it's so easy to use with your fingers. So I'm just tapping a little onto my finger, and then I'm going to start pressing this into the skin. It's soft, it's blurred, and it just looks like the most natural flush. So I want to show you too, if you ever feel like you get too much on. So I'm going to apply a decent amount here. If you just start pressing and blending this into the skin, you will be able to soften the finish. And if not, just take one of your brushes that you used with your foundation and tap it over the top. So now let's brighten the apples of my cheeks with the Peony. If you smile, you can see my little apple is right there. Oh my goodness. See how that just brought it all to life? So I'm going to take the shade Soft Plum straight to the lip, which also, we love a multitasker. So cheek, lip, one, done, love it. So my look is complete. You can absolutely see the power of blush, but also how incredible this new formula is that you all have to try. You guys are going to love it. I can't wait to see what shades you select. So make sure to comment below, letting me know what shade you get. Tag us using the hashtag tap into your matte so we can all see you in this gorgeous blush formula.